Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Lompoc, local, and long-distance movers near me. Any move of 100 miles or more requires the right long-distance movers. We help those looking to move out of state or even across the country. When you need to relocate for a job, family, or any other reason, our movers will make moving day easier. Avoid the heavy lifting with our help on moving day. We can also offer all the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When it's time to hire a local California moving company, it might be hard to rationalize the cost. However, as you realize the main benefits of hiring a local California moving company, you'll be able to justify the cost. The help of the right movers will offer you more time and energy on moving day. Even a short move can be draining and take a ton of time. Hiring a local company like 3 Movers saves you from doing any of the heavy lifting. We streamline the process so you can get settled in faster. Our team can complete even a large move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lompoc moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.